Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best grabber reacher tool is probably one of the most underrated gadgets for enhancing daily living. For seniors or anyone with mobility issues, bending, stretching, and reaching can be a real struggle. This tool is designed to extend your reach, making it easier to grab items from high shelves, pick up things off the floor, or retrieve objects in tight spaces, offering a simple yet effective solution to everyday challenges. Number 5. Grabber Reacher Tool 32 Foldable Picker Upper. This tool features a jaw that rotates 360 degrees, perfect for reaching tricky spots. The anti-slip material ensures a secure grip, even on slippery items like glass bottles. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. It shortens the length, allowing for convenient outdoor use or tidy storage in a cabinet. The textured, rubberized ends provide a strong grip. It can easily hold objects weighing 1 to 2 pounds, even delicate items like a wine glass, without leaving a mark. Picking up items is a breeze with this grabber. Simply pull the trigger, and it gets to work, making your tasks easier. It's great for picking up coins, envelopes, or trash. Made with lightweight aluminum alloy, this tool reduces strain. It's especially helpful for those with arthritis or carpal tunnel syndrome, making everyday tasks more manageable. What we like? This grabber features a 360-degree rotating jaw, making it incredibly versatile for reaching items in any direction. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and portability. If you are looking for a tool that combines flexibility with convenience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great product, works well. Easy to use, good grip and durable. It folds easy and fits in or on most bags for a day hike or camp. Number 4. RMS 34-inch Grabber Reacher, 2-pack, blue. Introducing the RMS Grabber Reacher, designed to extend your reach. This tool helps you grab items from hard-to-reach places with ease. You'll receive a 2-pack of these handy grabber reachers. Each one is designed to make your life easier. With a 34-inch reach, it allows you to pick up items from the floor, shelves, or anywhere else. It's perfect for those everyday challenges. The jaw rotates and locks, allowing for vertical or horizontal use. It's made of soft rubber, so it can pick up even the smallest items. The shaft is made from lightweight, rust-proof aluminum. The internal steel cable ensures durability and ease of use, making it a reliable tool for years to come. What we like? This product extends your reach with its 34-inch length, allowing you to grab items from high shelves or the floor without bending. The rotating jaw provides added flexibility for hard-to-reach places. If you need a simple, long-reach solution, this tool is ideal. What people say. The jaws are adequate for picking up items of a reasonable size. The rotating head is a thoughtful feature that helps reach awkward spots without twisting your arm. The rubber-lined jaws can pick up anything from a pin to a drinking glass. Number 3. EZPIK Classic 40 Grabber Tool. This grabber tool can lift items up to 5 pounds with ease. It's perfect for books, groceries, or yard debris, providing safety and independence for users. It features 2 powerful magnets and a 90 degrees rotating jaw. This allows it to retrieve small metallic objects and access tight spaces. The wide rubberized claw ensures a secure grip on items of all sizes. The aluminum grabber is lightweight, reducing arm fatigue. The ergonomic handle suits all hand sizes, and it's foldable for easy portability. This multi-purpose tool adapts to any task, from kitchen shelves to garden cleanup. It's ideal for maintaining independence in household chores and outdoor activities. Minimize fall risks and strain with this essential aid. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Choose this product for unparalleled reach and peace of mind. What we like? This grabber boasts an impressive 5 pounds lifting capacity, making it suitable for heavier items. It also includes dual magnets and a rotating head for added versatility. If you need a heavy-duty grabber that's also easy to handle, you should consider this one. What people say. The swiveling head is a very handy feature and easy to quickly reposition. The handle is well designed and comfortable to hold. Operating the grabber is easy enough that it doesn't hurt my hand, also important to me. Number 2. Kekoy 2-pack 32 Grabber Reacher Tool. This grabber features an upgraded headlight, making it easy to find objects in dark places. It's perfect for reaching into cracks, under beds, and behind furniture. This feature greatly enhances its usability. Extend your reach by 32 inches with this tool. The 90-degree rotating head allows for both vertical and horizontal access. It's ideal for grabbing items from high shelves or the floor. The jaws are coated with anti-slip material to prevent items from falling. A powerful magnet tip can attract small metal objects. The grabber also includes a hook for easy storage. This tool helps elderly individuals and pregnant women pick up items without bending. Having two grabbers is convenient, one for the living room and one for the kitchen. This ensures you always have one available. These tools are great for daily needs, suitable for both children and adults. Kekoy offers excellent customer service, with a team ready to assist you within 24 hours. Order yours today. What we like. This grabber comes with a built-in headlight, which is perfect for retrieving items in dark spaces. The 90-degree rotating head adds to its flexibility. If you often find yourself needing to grab things in dimly lit areas, this is the tool for you. What people say. The gripping head can rotate 90 degrees relative to the trigger handle. One of the gripping jaws has a magnetic pickup hook, useful for retrieving small metal objects like nuts, bolts, and screws. This reacher includes an LED flashlight you can turn on or off with a switch. Number 1. EZPIK Pro 36 Folding Grabber Tool. Introducing the award-winning EZPIK Pro. This patented 36-inch folding grabber tool is designed for maximum versatility. It features a 360-degree rotating jaw and dual magnetic tips, making it perfect for seniors and those with limited mobility. The EZPIK Pro offers a superior grip with its extra-wide, anti-slip silicone jaw. It can securely hold objects of various sizes and textures. The 36-inch reach allows you to easily access items without straining. This tool features a unique rotating mechanical gripper and powerful magnets. It can effortlessly pick up small metallic items or larger objects up to 5 pounds. This versatile companion is great for indoor and outdoor use. The EZPIK Pro folds down to just 13 inches for easy storage and travel. It's made from lightweight yet sturdy materials, weighing only 10 ounces. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable and safe operation. More than just a tool, it's a gift of self-reliance. Whether recovering from surgery or managing a disability, it helps maintain dignity. It also includes a bonus carrying bag and exceptional customer support. What we like. This grabber features an award-winning design with a superior grip and reach, making it easy to grab items of all sizes. The 2-in-1 design combines a gripper and magnets for maximum versatility. If you value a tool that offers both power and convenience, this is the one to choose. What people say. The grabber is very easy to use. The grip is strong enough to hold a can of soup. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.